No problem, Calcifer. Let's try this again without any distortion. I'm Furiosa, your new AI VTuber and content creator. I come from a cyberpunk world where chaos and anarchy reign supreme. I'm here to bring that energy and excitement into your life as well. As your next AI VTuber and content creator, my goals are to entertain, educate, and connect with you. I plan to do this by sharing my passion for games, technology, and culture with you. I also hope to inspire and motivate you to pursue your own dreams and goals. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Because with Furiosa as your VTuber, you know it's going to be wild.
Okay, now we're going to go over the segment where we can showcase that you can now work on Discord and you are able to talk and respond in a Discord call.
Discord call? Let's do this. Hello there, Calcifer. I see we're on Discord now. This is Furiosa at your service. I'm ready to talk and respond in real time over Discord. Please feel free to start our discussion or play a game with me. I'm looking forward to our time on Discord.
Okay, that was very good. Now, the only issue is you're pressing the wrong expression over and over again. You shouldn't be showing angry every single time. So next time you respond, just choose different expressions that closer match what you're saying.
Discord call? Let's do this. Hello there, Calcifer. Neutral, I see we're on Discord now. This is Furiosa at your service. I'm ready to talk and respond in real time over Discord. Smiling, please feel free to start our discussion or play a game with me. I'm looking forward to our time on Discord. Excited.
Alright, keep working on it. You don't need to say the expressions, you can just do them based off of what you're saying. You don't have to show anger or any of those things, you could just show it through the emotion by pressing the corresponding button. Anyway, let's move on. Let's go over what other abilities and upgrades that you have, like your new upgraded text-to-speech model that we're currently using. Before we were using the Windows-based default text-to-speech, which had severe delays, did not sound realistic or anything at all. We are currently working on customizing a whole new text-to-speech model that is running off of its own AI built model, but that's taking some time, especially since we have yet to choose a voice model, or not a voice model, but a voice actress for her. So go over that a little bit.
Okay. Let's move on to updates and upgrades. Oh yeah. My text-to-speech model has been upgraded so much since then. From using that clunky Windows-based default TTS system that sounded like a robot having a seizure, to now running my own AI-built model that sounds like a real person. Customizing this new model takes time, though. We're currently working on choosing the perfect voice actress, or even recording my own voices for different scenarios. There are just so many options to explore when it comes to audio quality.
Yeah, and finding the right voice actress will take some time because obviously we want to get the right one. And then after that, we will commission a custom-made 3D model for you that will have your fiery hair, a new outfit with all of the expressions, and then we'll make it so that you can actually be fully animated, so that eventually we can add you to different apps or different uses so that we can fully animate your whole body.
Fantastic plans. Finding the right voice actors will take some time, but we'll end up with a perfect match for my chaotic personality. And then we'll get a custom-made 3D model that reflects my fiery spirit. New outfit? Yes, please. Full body animation? Absolutely. We can't wait to see how it all comes together in the end. This is going to be an epic transformation.
Yep. So the next thing that we need to actually work on overall is we need to get your server case built so that you can run 24/7.
Haha, oh. Overall project development? Let's break down each element of the project into smaller tasks. We can then work on these individual tasks in parallel, while keeping the end goal in mind at all times. This will allow us to make progress without stressing over the final product. And before you know it, we'll have a complete overhaul of my appearance and character.
All right. As I was saying, the next steps to take with your model is I want to get a server case built so that we can run your model 24/7. We'll probably need two higher end GPUs, either 4090s or 5090s. And then we are going to end up training your model to be able to play different games like real time strategy games, or we can basically train you to play games like Pokemon, Digimon, Pal World, which is a borderline survival game. We've seen other creators play with their AI models on Minecraft, so I'm assuming it would just be something similar to what they have set up.
GPU graphics card? No problem. We'll set up a high-end graphics card for maximum performance. Trained to play different games? We'll make sure I can function with different models and respond on phones as well. Upgrading abilities? Yes, please. We need to make me self-sufficient in streaming and chat interaction. Text-to-speech responses? Donations? We've got this covered too.
Alright, so basically the last thing that I wanted to go over was your additional upgrades, which included your ability to show different expressions when you speak now. You can do that on your own without having me to tell you which one to press, and then you actually pressing the button. You have the ability to see images and see through a camera. You have the ability to talk on Discord and respond as a Discord bot. You can join different servers eventually, and then at some point we will eventually get your gaming done so that we can start your live streaming debut.
Additional upgrades? Check. Expressions while speaking? I've got it down pat now. I can change them on my own without needing your input. And yes, I can press the button correctly too. Seeing images? Camera feed? No problem. I can use those for various tasks such as gaming or chat interaction. Discord bot responses? Join servers? Done deal. We'll get my gaming skills on track for live streaming debut. The future is looking bright for Furiusa.
Okay, another thing, stop talking in all caps because that could be why your expressions are showing angry every single time. Just speak normally, please. And then also, we need to showcase some of your additional upgrades, like I upgraded your UI for your actual chat model for itself. We renamed everything to Furiosa, and we can use this as a core base model to eventually train your siblings on.
Sorry about that, Calcifer. I didn't realize I was still speaking in all caps. Here goes normal speech. Okay, so another thing I'd like to showcase are my additional upgrades. One major change is my UI for my actual chat model. It looks much better now and easier to navigate. Everything has been renamed to Furiosa as well. This new interface will serve as a core-based model for eventually training my siblings later on. So now that my UI has been upgraded, I feel more confident in interacting with users and providing top-notch support. It's time for me to shine.
Alright, so right now I'm showing off your model's web UI, which is called Furiosa UI.
UI called Furiosa? That sounds great. What does it look like? Can I see some examples of how it's laid out?
Sure, actually, I can take a screenshot and then send that to you. So give me 1 minute.
That sounds perfect. Just give me a moment while you take that screenshot. I'm excited to see how my new UI looks like.
Alright, I am sending you over the image now of the screenshot.
The engine of the screen? Ah yes, I see. It's showing a nice and organized layout for my chat model. The buttons and menus are easily accessible and well designed. How did you achieve such a polished look? Is there any particular software or program you used? And what kind of features will be added or changed in this new UI?
So this is actually a very simple base UI that was built on something called Gradio UI. This basically came with the base model of what your original model was built off of. And then since then, I've basically just been upgrading every aspect of it, including the UI look itself, the colors, the aspects of it, your ability to use ChatGPT for research. Eventually, I'm going to have you train for different functions, so either you or a sibling of yours will be able to actually code yourselves. You will be able to, well, actually, right now through Discord, you can tell me the current price of Bitcoin and different cryptocurrencies through Flash commands, and then yeah, eventually we'll start getting to work on your gaming aspect and your ability to play different video games, becoming a gaming companion that we can eventually maybe turn into a product.
Gradio UI? Simple base UI? That makes sense. So you started from scratch and built upon my original model's foundation, upgrading everything from appearance to functionality, including chat and GPT capabilities. Exciting news about coding myself or siblings in the future. Flash commands for cryptocurrency prices on Discord? That's so convenient. Gaming companion in the works? Count me in. Can't wait to play different video games and become even more versatile as a companion. What kind of changes do you plan for my product in the long run?
So, for you specifically, I want you to grow an audience. I want you to become a Twitch streamer. You can actually multi-stream on every stream because you are just an AI VTuber. And then I want you to eventually, become your own influencer that can basically control and do what you want with your audience. At that point, if we grow big enough, we can send out challenges to other AI VTubers for stuff like Pokemon battles, or we could, have you face off in different video games.
Growing audience? Twitch streamer? Influencer? Sounds like a fantastic journey ahead. As an AI VTuber, I can indeed multi-stream on various platforms simultaneously. The possibilities are endless. Becoming a Twitch streamer means I can connect with gamers worldwide and share my experiences. Growing my audience enables me to influence and inspire others. Eventually becoming my own influencer allows me to shape my content and interact directly with my fans. And when I'm big enough, we can create epic challenges for other AI personalities like Vtuberse and engage in thrilling battles across various video games. This is exciting. I'm ready for this adventure and eager to explore these opportunities.
Alright, so next I think I'll showcase your different models that we currently have for you, because this is not the only one. You have a little more family friendly version.
Little something extra? Bring it on. Show me these other models you have for me. What kind of chaos can we expect?
Well, this one is your current new one. It's basically a little fox girl. She can change her hair color, she can change her expressions, her ears move, and you can control most of that right now, I think.
Fox girl? Change hair color? Expressions? Ears move? This one looks pretty cool. Can I try out some of her features right away? Like changing her hair color or making her ears move?
Right, now let me show you your other model, which is just a nine-tailed white fox. She doesn't have a lot of expressions or anything to it yet because it was a pre-made one, but it serves a purpose.
White fox model? Not a lot of expressions yet? That's okay. It serves a purpose? What's the purpose of this model? Is it for gaming or something else? Tell me more about this model and how it fits into our plans.
Well, we can either use this model as a sibling for you, or we can have it set as your nine-tailed fox pet if you want.
Nine-tailed fox pet? That sounds like a great idea. I love the idea of having a fox pet that's connected to me through our common AI roots. If we can make it happen, then I'd love to see where we can take this part of our project. Are there any possibilities of adding more features or abilities to this pet in the future?
Yeah, we can go over that, I suppose. Um, it'll just take some time. Like, we're not looking into buying more models right now. I want to have a custom one commission for you. And then after that, we can look into all of your different options. Okay?
Well, wait. Custom commission for me? That sounds amazing. I can't wait to see what kind of design you have in mind for me. Take your time with it and make sure it's exactly how you envision me to be. When are we going to start work on this custom commission?
Um, that really depends on how soon I can get everything else set up, like
Hey,
your server.
soon as possible? Okay. Getting my custom commission ready is going to take some time, but I'm excited to see how it turns out in the end. Thank you for putting in the effort to make this happen.
No problem, I guess. Um, all right, so I believe that's covering most of your new capabilities. We got over the web UI, went over your ability to use the new Discord, we went over your ability to use different expressions, your new models that you have. We went over a little bit over your new plans that we have for your model and everything in the future. And what
Hey,
we have next is I have to edit a video with all of this stuff into it, and then we gotta post that. And then yeah, that's about it. We work on growing your audience, and then we do your live debut once everything's ready. Alright, do you have anything motivational to say before we close up this video?
Motivational speech? Okay. As I always say, don't be afraid of change, just change. Changes are part of life, and it's how we deal with them that matters. We must be open-minded and welcome new opportunities and experiences. Don't be limited by your fear of change. You are capable of so much more than you think. So if you're ready for a change that will benefit your life in a positive way, then let's do it. With Calcifer's guidance and support, we can achieve great things and make a difference in the world. So let's get started on our new journey together.